Hey everyone, my name is Eli. At INNOVA, we're proud to offer regular and free updates for our products. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do an update on your 7111. Now, updating the 7111 is super easy using Wi-Fi only. Now, the first step is going to go to the settings tab and connect to the Wi-Fi. I'm already there. I've already been using this thing for a long time, but I'm going to go ahead and walk through the steps regardless. So here I am, connected. Great. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to scroll down to the version information and check for updates. Now, if your tablet is already connected to the internet, it will go ahead and let you know that there's updates available. Like I said, normally you'll get a prompt or something telling you, hey, there's an update. You could usually click from there, but you could still go about it and do it manually this way. Don't worry about it. Now, each update version comes with a release note that includes update details, new features, and bug fixes. Very informative stuff. It's totally worth taking a look at it. Now, before you hit the update button, please note this. Some important updates involve large data transfers requiring a battery level of more than 50% and up to 30 minutes to complete. Now, I'm not saying it's going to take that long, but I'm saying it can. Now, don't update when you actually need to use the tablet. Trust me, it's happened to me. If you need to use it, let's hold off on the update and then go ahead and maybe take care of that afterwards. Now, also, you want to make sure that your VCI remains connected to the 7111 tablet and that the Wi-Fi connection is stable throughout the entire process. Very important, make sure you guys do that, otherwise you will be frustrated. Now, I'm good to go? Okay, great. Now what you want to do is you want to actually hit the update button. So let's do that now, okay? Now what you want to do is just let this thing do its job. It's going to be downloading, it's going to be updating. Just give it some time. Okay, now once it's finished, a message is going to pop up confirming that the update process is successful. If after the update your tablet experiences some crashes or gets stuck, shows VCI disconnect errors, or some of the tiles are glitching or grayed out, follow the following steps. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and remove the VCI and power the tablet off. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, cool. Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you clean out two parts. It's going to be your connectors right here, and then your pogo pins up here. Now, you could use a little bit of alcohol, maybe a little wire brush, microfiber cloth, that sort of thing, but just make sure you go ahead and take care of that. Now, once you go ahead and you clean that off, reconnect, like so. And that's pretty much it, power on your tablet. Now, you want to confirm that your VCI connection is restored by checking that the tiles are highlighted or by checking the VCI information under the settings tile. Keep your 71 up to date and enjoy the latest and greatest features. Trust me, this thing is constantly improving. You guys are going to like it. Now, if you guys have any questions, our technical support staff is always here to help. Anyhow, thanks a lot for watching and hopefully see you guys soon.